Hi guys, this is Sushmita, your crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about decentralized finance. DeFi stands for decentralized finance and refers to all of the financial applications that are developed on the top of the blockchain systems. The idea is to develop and operate financial decentralized app on the top of a transparent and trustless framework like blockchains. It promotes the use of decentralized network and open source software to create multiple types of financial services and products. Currently, the three largest functions of DeFi are: number one, creating monetary banking services, example, issuance of stablecoins. Number two, providing peer-to-peer or pool lending and borrowing platforms. Number three, enabling advanced financial instruments such as DEX, tokenization platforms, derivatives and predictions market. Within those three fields, there are several types of DeFi services. A few other examples of products and use cases include funding protocols, software development tools, index construction, subscription payment protocols, and data analysis applications. DeFi apps may also be used for KYC, AML, and other identity management services. Decentralized finance brings numerous benefits when compared to traditional financial services. Through the use of smart contracts and distributed systems, deploying a financial application or product become less complex and secure. For instance, many DApps are being developed on top of the Ethereum blockchain, which provides reduced operational costs and lower entry barriers. Summing up, the DeFi movement is shifting traditional financial products to the open source and decentralized world, which removes the need for intermediaries, reduced overall cost, and greatly improves security. So this was all about decentralized finance. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.